CCTV.
UMLA ke BJP na South Shillong constituency wa Sanbor Sulai haka arpa artari ukulalengkot arjar apn rio la karpat ikpat ba karilum garu makin I vote ya ke BJP haka nik election cha Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kaban longshan boleh turu badala de un sahir sarilum garu ban pan jingkersan ikpat garu makin ay ka vote si kartong ke BJP hak jing ekran miklat patai kubor ba Sanbor Sulai lokano ba Seng Kongres bat Kiwei pat Seng kin sa Pyndonkam de kerteng jong Niam man Kren Pyrshah ke BJP.
Application has been invited. So we do hope that this time 8 to 10 we should get. And the people of our state, be in the election of this council or state election or the MP election, the people should focus on the good work done by none other than Narendra Modi ji, our honorable Prime Minister. You will see with a short span of time, within 10 years, be in the entire country or in our Meghalaya state also, due to the support of Modi ji and all the union minister. So within our state, within that, you just witness the people should judge what was happening 46 years ago, 47 years ago, and now within 10 years in our state since the formation of the MDA 1 and MDA 2. So people have witnessed lots of developmental scheme has been, especially in the road communication, this highway and other development, and even in my constituency also, even you see from the government side in the New Shillong, so many projects, big projects are coming up. It is a Garo Hills Council. President is looking after the leaders from all the caricatures, all the booth leaders from the entire Garo Hills. They are looking after. So my duty is that once they give green signal, as a MLA, I'll go and step in each and every constituency. Then I will campaign aggressively for our candidate. On the ideology of the regional party, let the people comments, let the people judge. But only one message I want to send to you: that the time has arrived for the people of our state that they should be far-sighted. They should look after the good work done by Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Prime Minister, and our government in Delhi. So this time in this council election, I appeal to all the people, especially for all our voters, our beloved brother and sister and senior citizen youths of Garo Hills, that they should give chance to the BJP. They should give us at least 20 seats to form the government, and I assure you, along with our EC Executive Committee of this council, we will work more for the development and to generate employment also for the youths of our state and the government. Our government, you have seen recently, they have moved such a apprehensive employment generation scheme where 3,000 youths will be employed, will be advertised 3,000 in our state in the police department. You will see the other parties, be it the Congress or the other parties, that if you see VPP or the during the election, they'll play the religious card against the BJP. They'll campaign that BJP is the anti-Christian, BJP will disallow the people of Meghalaya State to eat beef. Even in my constituency, also during the election, this is the card they are playing. That Basan War, once he won the election from the BJP, he will lock all the church, the church building. He'll disallow people to go to church. He'll disallow people to. He'll bring his workers. They'll go house to house to check the fridge whether there is beef or not. That they'll punish them. All these allegations during the election, this election propaganda. But it happened in my constituency. It happened everywhere of Bengal. So let the people of our state judge.